Hello, thanks for joining me on another radio adventure. Today I'm out on the northwest side of Canberra, West Belconnen, and I'm going for a walk down to the Lower Molonglo Nature Reserve. It follows the Molonglo River, and we'll set up there, and I think we'll play on 80 metres, 40, maybe 20, SSB and CW. And as you can see in the reflection in my glasses, it's a nice sunny day, although quite cool. It's about 14 degrees. And as you can see, the views here are pretty good. That's the gate where I just came in. And as I scan around, there's the view, which isn't too bad. And this is the trail that I'm following. VK3 Zulu Papa Foxtrot from VK1 CT Portable. Thanks, Peter. You're coming in 5 and 7, 57, 5-7, over.
VK1 Charlie Tango, VK3 Zulu Papa Fox, also 5 and 7, Chris, 57, over. VK2 Yankee Kilo Portable 3. VK2 Victor Whiskey. Thanks, Chris. Appreciate the 5-9. Look, I'm getting you about a 5-5, 55 there, Chris, over.
You are coming in 5-7, Chris. 5-7 to me here in Mildura.
Well, that's enjoy the nice weather compared to yesterday. VK1 CT, VK1 deal.
Yeah, thanks, Ian. Yeah, I thought about going out yesterday, and then it just wasn't improving, so I thought, no, stay inside. But this afternoon it's turned out really nice. The wind's dropped down, and got a great view out over the mountains. So yeah, what more could you want? Anyway, thanks, Ian. Catch you on the next one. VK1DI from VK1 CT Portable.
5 and 9, you're coming in at 5 and 9 as well, so really good signal into South Australia this afternoon. Over.
Okay, so I made it back to the car. It got dark very quick, and I think I underestimated just how far I'd walked into the park. So walking back in the dark, but no great problem. It's pretty good track. I think I made about 30 contacts, much better than I expected, so very happy with that. And yeah, that's another park done. I've got over 44 contacts for this one, so I can cross that one off the list, and we'll try another one another time soon. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.